Do your computer system experience restarting issues? Well, it can cause due to virus and malware infection or due to corrupt operating system. It's time to hire professional technicians to quick fix the malfunctioning issues. When you are in Covina, iTech Xpress will be there to help you in this regard. It is a certified computer repair service store, famous for offering factory-grade repair solutions. They have a team of knowledgeable and experienced computer repair technicians who try to provide same-day repair service. They always provide free estimation for computer repair service and part replacement works. They have a great stock of spare parts inventory and always provide the assurance of using genuine spare parts for replacement. And the best part is that their guaranteed computer repair service available at affordable prices. So, if you are in need of quick computer repair service, just call them at 626-777-4747. For more information, browse through https://itechexpressinc.com.